Okay, finding factors of a number, tick. Now what? All right, what you're going to be asked to do, once you can find the factors of a term or a number, you're going to be asked to find the highest common factor of the following. Okay, so highest common factor, you may also see that written as HCF as an acronym. Now, down the left-hand side here, I've got asking you to find the highest common factor of the following. So 6 and 9 is our first one. Some of you will be able to look at that straight away and go, well, my highest common factor is 3, that's easy, okay? Some of you guys won't be able to do that. So on the right-hand side over here, I've got a little table done up, and that's going to help us find what that highest common factor is. Down the left-hand side, left-hand column, down this way, we've got the number 6, okay? And on the right-hand side, we've got the number 9. I'm going to go through, and we started with 2 quite easy numbers, all the factors of 6. I'm going to do the same for 9. What this will do, it's going to put all the factors of 6 and all the factors of 9 in the one spot, and then we can go and start picking out what the highest one is that's common to both sides. Now you can look here, we've got 1s on both sides. That's easy to see. But if we look in that next row, we've got 3s, which are common. So that's higher than the pair of 1s. So therefore, my highest common factor for 6 and 9 equals 3. All right. Moving now to the next one. Get through these nice and quickly. We've got 5 and we've got 18. Again, 1 times 5, that's the only way I can make 5. 18, I've got 1 times 18, I've got 3 times 6, and I've got 2 times 9. Now, I can't find anything else other than the pair of 1s, so therefore my highest common factor is going to equal 1 in that case. Okay, it's not always going to be a number greater than 1, sometimes it will be 1. Down here for the third one, question C, we've now got something a little different. We've got 8A and we've got 12A. Once you're listing all the factors, I want you to have a look at the 8 first and then add the A on the end. And then I want you to look at the 12 and then add the A on. So what I mean by that is 1 times 8, sweet, and then just times by A on the end. We've got 2 times 4, and then again you've got times A on the end. That part's not going to change. That's all I can think of for 8A. 12A, I can go 1 times 12 and then times A. I've got 2 times 6 and times A, and then I've got 3 times 4 times A as well. Now, again, we've got our 1s that are common, but if we look a little closer, we've actually got some larger numbers. So I've got a 4 here, and I've got a 4 here. All right, now if you were to tell me that the highest common factor equals 4, you would be half right, because now that we've identified a common factor in this little pod here and this one here, the other ones we're going to absolutely disregard. Within each of these ones here, there's a circle. I know that I've got an A and an A also. So if you were to now go back and tell me the highest common factor is actually 4A, you would be absolutely spot on.